Okay, so today we're looking at a National Geographic chemistry set. This one is heavy duty. I think there's like 45 experiments in here, and it's the gross kit. So you make like eyeballs and slime and brains and all kinds of things like that, and blood packs, worms. I think you can even grow mushrooms. Worms and fungus. Yeah, this one was definitely a kit that was worth getting. And let's see if I can open it up here. Gives you a ton of stuff, a ton of reading material, all different kinds of food colorings and molds, and basically everything you need from test tubes to get started. Now, I will say that some of this stuff does require, boiling water and things like that, so keep that in mind. You will have to supervise your kiddo with this one. For the age range on this, it doesn't say on the front. I'm not sure. My 7-year-old was able to do it, so oh, there it is. It says 8 plus on the side there. So not a problem, but he definitely needed help with the mixing and things like that. So everything you're using is kid friendly, kid safe. It does come with goggles and things like that, but if you have allergies or anything of that nature to food coloring, you can go out and buy some latex gloves and use those. But yeah, overall, you can make boogers and vomit, brains, eyeballs, bubbling blood, little cell packs that pop and they squeeze blood all over the place. So it is messy. Keep that in mind. Don't do it on a white countertop or using good clothes while you're making this stuff, because obviously food coloring will stain. And we've learned that the hard way several times. But again, definitely something to look into. If you haven't noticed by looking through this channel, we do a lot of these kinds of kits. Hopefully in the future, when we do the experiments, I'll get them recorded so that we can put them online and you can see what they look like. But definitely something to consider. If you've got a kiddo who's into science, this is a good one. It's one of the larger kits that I think is out there. And again, it's by National Geographic. So if I can find a link, I will put it in the description below. Check it out. Make sure you comment below if you have any suggestions for kits like this for me. Let me know what you've tried. Let me know if you're going to try this one. And shoot me any questions you may have. All right. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, on to the next.